What's up, guys? I'm just giving you a quick review of this projector, which I just did try in my bathroom using a Roku stick, and it did work. I did not use the included HDMI cables because obviously the Fire Sticks and the Roku stick stick directly into one of the two HDMI spots that they so generously gave us. It has two USB too. First one is over here over this exhaust fan. We also have, if you can plug in your headphones, AV, like I said, two HDMI, that's cool. And then USB 1. So what you're going to do immediately is go out and get yourself a Roku stick or a Fire Stick. Those cost 40 bucks. Then you just stick it in the side right here, and then you can access all the stuff like Netflix or ESPN Plus or Disney Plus or Hulu, YouTube, all that kind of stuff. It will work in moderate light because this does have 15,000 lumens. This is a 1080p HD projector with 5.0 directional Bluetooth. You can attach it to other speakers. It comes with this lens cap, which I always appreciate. I don't get why some projectors that kind of cost a lot don't have those, but whatever. It has this little stand that you can screw in and out to make it kind of prop up a little bit. And it also can be attached to a tripod. I recommend a tripod because sometimes you're going to have to set it up a little bit higher and you might not have a shelf around. Tripods are real cheap here on Amazon and you can get a good deal. Then you can set it up anywhere from 2 feet up to 5 feet up or whatever you may need. Let's see here. Here is the other fan. One of them is an intake and the other one is an outtake, or an exhaust, and it keeps everything cool inside. These things tend to get hot, so always look for models that have two HDMI is one of the things I always say. You're going to want them to have both manual focus and keystone correction. That one on the left right there that you're looking at is keystone correction. That basically, if you set up the projector off to the left or right a little bit, not directly in front of the wall that you're watching it on, you can still adjust this first one right here, and it will become rectangular, shaped perfectly on the wall in front of you. I'm not even sure how that works, but it does work. And then the manual focus does work. I've already tried it, like I said, on my Roku. You've got your power in the back, and you've got the VGA in the back. This is a contender for one of the best projectors out there on Amazon at this price range. This is very high end. This is all you're ever going to need. It has the top resolution you can be looking for. I think the contrast is 1 to 15,000 or 10,000 or 12,000. And as long as you get the media stick, you're in for a good time with this. I give this 5 out of 5 stars easily.
Screen, get rid of it now. Listen, Brian. Your mom, she wanted what's best for her. And so do I. You have a real family.
Changing mag, cover me. Man goes down.
Target down.
Target down.
Sentry gun ready to deploy. Sentry gun deployed.
Let's check out these settings. You've got your HDMI 1, HDMI 2, you've got VGA capabilities for like a computer, AV for like older things, or I don't even know what would use AV right now, but at least they have it. You can use USB, probably if you had like media on there. You have Wi-Fi, you could do different Wi-Fi. You have Bluetooth, which is, the Bluetooth is if you wanted a bigger speaker. It'll still work separately. So like if you wanted a Bluetooth speaker while you're doing screen mirroring on your phone, they will indeed work separately and work as they're supposed to. You've got the screen mirroring, which you can also, so you can start it right on another menu. They have a home thing. Your settings, let's check this out. Picture mode, you've got vivid, standard, or soft. Oh, it's not showing right now because I'm not playing anything. You've got color temperature, aspect ratio. You've got these different, and you've got color temperature. You've got warm. You can make your own custom, or you can do cool. Okay. Noise reduction. I don't know what that is, but image, you can reduce your image size. Oh, I guess it's only when you're working. I mean, when you have something playing, because I did use it before and it did go down. So, but it only goes down to 50. I don't know why. I guess maybe if you have no option of putting your screen closer, then you would just reduce it here where it is.